Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making 2 shades of banana bread. You can see how beautiful they look. 2 shades of banana bread. So let's dive into the video. So I go ahead to preheat my oven, or should I say my halogen oven? Yeah, I go ahead to preheat it. So while that is on, I will now go into mixing my ingredients. So you get 6 medium-sized banana. Should I say ripe banana or very soft banana? So you mash them together. You mash. In a neat bowl, I went in with my 4 cups of sieved flour. Then I went in with 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then sieve that in. You mix that together thoroughly. Then you get a clean bowl. You're going with 5 eggs, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You sieve that in. And 1 cup of vegetable oil. Please use a good vegetable oil, okay? Thank you. Oh, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It will really go a long way for me. And also don't forget to click the like button so that others can also get to view my video. Thank you very much. So you mix that in properly. So now we're going with that our mashed banana, 2 cups of our mashed banana. Then we'll mix that again. Mix it, combine everything together properly. Now get your dry ingredients and fold it in little by little, okay? Fold it in little by little so you don't overmix your batter. So while I'm done mixing, you can see I've folded in my flour into my butter. So this is the one we'll be using for our different shade, our darker shade. So you're going with black charcoal, 1 tablespoon of black charcoal and mix that thoroughly. Yeah, you mix that thoroughly. Then you can now pour it right into your baking pan. So here I just want to remove some of it from my stick, the stick I used in mixing, so I can scoop it into my baking pan. So here I went in with my butter. How I use my halogen oven is I put in my butter after preheating the oven. Obviously, I put in my butter and let that to sit for 10 minutes before I start baking. I just let that to sit in the heat for 10 minutes. Okay, then I set it on 160, 170 Celsius to 30 to 40 minutes timer. Yeah, but when it gets to 30 minutes, you start checking. I think when it gets to 30 minutes, yeah, you start checking if it is cooked. Or should I say properly baked? So here I have my first one. Never took the light, so that's why it looks kind of dark. But this is not the one, the one with the dark shade. Okay, because they never took the light. So here are my 2 shades. My family members couldn't even wait for me to make proper video. They've already devoured half of the other one. So that was my 2 shades. So I just want to show you guys the inside of the bread and how soft it is. You can see how soft and fluffy it is. Oh, this was so delicious. Please try this recipe and tell me on the comment section. I can't wait for your comment. Thank you so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, please try and just click the subscribe button over there, okay? And also don't forget to like my videos so that others can also get to see my videos. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the videos. Bye.